Hi! In front of me is OPPO FIND X5 LITE, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this OPPO. You need to begin by locating and opening calendar app. Now tap on the month above. Over here you can swipe and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. I will go with that one. Now create your event by tapping over here or choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and clicking on event. Either way, from here you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title to it. You can also click on local account and pick one of those options. Pick starting hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by selecting this gray switcher next to all day. Now click on Does Not Repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example every year. If you don't, just tap on Does Not Repeat. Now you can also add people, location and even set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. If you wish to use Add Location feature, click on it, tap on while using the app or only this time. Type in an address and click on the correct one. Now take some notes and finally save your event by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine is here. If you want to make some changes, you can always click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner and change wherever you wish to. In order to discard them, select X icon at the top left corner and click on Discard. If you wish to save it though, just tap on Save. In order to get rid of your event completely, you need to click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner. Following that, click on Delete at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!